Fazal Karim Saab is standing by me, and I would like to ask him. He is also my English teacher and a person of literature, pillar of literature, I can say. What do you want to say, sir? You have come to the Women Day to see it, visualize it. What is your point of view and what is your opinion?
Women comprise almost half the population of our country, and we know how talented they are, how multifarious they are. In fact, our embroidery and our handicrafts, they have been world famous for many thousands of years. Right from the Gandhara days, the uniqueness of handicrafts and homemade articles has been known to all the world. And this tradition has continued for thousands of years. I feel very happy that today in Mansehra, this opportunity has been given to local women and girls, those who are basically housewives, to display their embroidery, their handicraft skills. And the only unfortunate part is that they don't get reward for their beautiful, diverse and unique work. I would love to see the exposure not only at local level, that proper outlet for market is given, but at national level, and if we can get international bodies interested in this. In fact, this work is of international standard, and some of the unique articles and specific to this region are being created over here. And I'm sure that the standard matches with the international standards, and if they are able to get exposure, I am sure that they will carve a niche, a special place for them. Not only it will bring good name to country, but it will be a great help for thousands of families who do not really get paid enough for their beautiful work.
Where you have come to know that how literally is asked another question. I think the question is ended the same.
Empowerment actually entails economic empowerment. We know that it is economic empowerment that leads to all kinds of empowerment. And this is actually the opportunity, great opportunity, because great many of our women, they do not get the opportunity for traditional education. So in fact, this is a great tribute to our women, that while being housewives, they are able to create such masterpieces. I would love to see more and more exposure given to them, more and more economic power given to them, and only I would like to emphasize this point, that they do not get enough or deserving reward for their effort.